3.
I hit a wall. I never felt so low, so low. Like a waterfall, my tears dropped to the floor, the floor. They left a swimming pool of salted rhymes. So what could I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I'm letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out of this hole. Just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer. You're just another brick and I'm a sledgehammer.
I hit a wall. I prayed I would make it through. Make it through. I can't survive a life that's without you, yeah. That's without you, yeah.
And I will rise up from the ashes now. The ashes now. The sparrow flies with just the crumbs of loving. Spill, yeah.
Bracing for the pain, but I am letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out of this hole. I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, I was sure your words would leave me unconscious. I've been lying all like that. I hit a wall. I hit a wall.